Okay, so members, now we are going to see how do we handle when they are giving us the tetrahedral, when they are finding the sum, and then when they are giving us when they are finding the product of the outcome, and then they ask us to get the probability they want us to calculate. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay. Two tetrahedral lines are thrown at once, and the sum, you note the word here, there, and the sum of the outcomes is noted. So here we are noting the what? The sum. So this is an important word. Of the outcomes, the possible outcomes is noted. Draw a table to show the possible outcomes. Find the probability that the number, the sum is an even number, prime number, a number less than 3. Look at this. So it's that we are taking the sum of the possible outcomes. So when I produce 1 and the 1, their sum is going to be 2. When I produce 1 and the 2, the sum is 3. When I produce 1 and the sum is 4, I'm taking the sum 1 plus this, I get a 5. When I come to this 2 and 1, 3, 2 and 2, 4, 5, then 6. This one will be now 4. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 3, plus 2, 5, 3 plus 3, 6. This is 5, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 7, then 8, 4 plus 4. So now this is the sample space, or the possible outcomes when I take the sum. So here again, you get your marks. Then find the probability that the sum is an even number. So now, Roman numeral B, Roman numeral 1, probability that the sum is an even number. So our uneven numbers, how many even numbers do we have? You see we have 2, we have 4, we have this also, we have 6, we have this 4, we have 6, we have this 6, we also have this 8. So now, it's that the total, it's that our sample space, the total is 16. When we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. When you count all these, the total is 16. So, what about the even numbers? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have even numbers are 8 over the total, which is 16, and you can reduce this to a half. When I come to remainder 2, a prime number. So remainder 2, a prime number. Prime number. Let me see prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that are having two factors, 1 and itself. So let me use now these brackets. Let me put them in box. That's a prime number. This is the prime number. This one is also prime. 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 I think those are the prime numbers we have. So there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are also 8 over 16 the total, which is also going to give you a half. A number is less than 3. A number is less than 3. So that if a number is less than 3, we have only, and the only number which is less than 3 is a 2. So probability, Roman numeral 3, probability, sum less than 3 is going to be. You see the only sum is less than 3 is this less. So it's 2. So it's just 1 over the 16. We aren't putting the number, but we are putting how many numbers are those. So see that it's only one number which is less than 3. All is above 3. And so that's how we answer that one. And the question is done. When it comes to this one, 2 dice are thrown out once and the product. Now look at this time we are taking the product of their outcomes is noted. Draw a table. So I've already The first die is here, the second is here. But this time, we are taking the product. So, this times this is that we are going to be getting a 1. This times this, 2. So, if this appears and this appears, they are products. So, 1 times 6, you get 6. So, if this and this appears, 2 times this, you get a 2. If this and this appear, then the product of 2 and 2, that is 4. The product here is 6. 10, then 12. When I come to this one, 3 times this, I get 3. I get 6. I'm taking now the product. Is 12, 15, which is 18. When I come to 4 and 1, the product, I'm taking the product, is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. This one is 5, 10, 15, 3 times this, 3, 5 times this, we get 20, 5 times 5, 25, then 5 times this, you get 30. Then 6 times 1, 6, 6 times 2, 6 times 6 is 46. And so that's the sample space. This time I'm multiplying, here I was adding. So you see that the total number is, when you count all these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 12, 18, 18, 24, 30, 24, 20, 30, then 36. So now our sample space, the total is 36 when you count all these ones at 36. Okay. Now I come find the probability that the product is at 12. So B number 1, the product is at 12. Probability of getting a 12. So it's that probability of getting a 12. We have this. We have this, we have this, and we have this. So the probability of getting the 12, I think those are the only 12s we can generate. So that it's 1, there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 out of the total, which is 36. And you can reduce this to 1 over 9. And reduce that to 1 over 9. The number 2, I don't think that's that, is an even number less than 8. So, probability, even number less than 8. This is going to be less than 8. So, less than 8. So, you see, an even number less than 8. We have this. Less than 8. So that's what I don't even numbers less than 8. I think there's no less than 8. Yeah. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they are 8. So they are 8 over 36. So these even numbers were less than 8. Okay, so can we reduce? We can reduce by 4 here, we get 2. By 4 here, we get 9. That is the case there. Then number 3, a multiple of 6. Number 3, probability of 6. Multiples of 6. Let us see how many are there. Multiples of 6. I'm going now to use a number that will multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 12. So multiples of 6, they are many. So first of all, multiples of 6. We know they are You can be having 6 at 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, then 42, and so on. These are the multiples of 6. So, can we? So now, so remember, I forgot this one. This was also an even number, less than 8. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even numbers less than 8. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, these were 9. I didn't see this one. Sorry. These were, now let me see. These were 9. Yeah, they are 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they are 9, which you can reduce to 1 over 4. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's be careful multiples of 6. So we have a 6 already. So allow me to put them in these brackets. A 6 is there. And then this one also is a 6. This one is there any? I want first to pull out all the 6. Okay, then I come to 12. 12 we have. This 12 also. Let me take it now. I have also this 12. It's also a multiple of 6. I have this one. And also this one. Okay. Then I come to 18. Do we have 18 anywhere? Yes, we have this 18. Do we have 18 anywhere? Yes, here. Do we have now, next is 24. Do we have 24? We have it here. Another 24 is just here. Do we have 30? Yes, 30 is here. Here. Do we have 36? Yes. Do we have 42? No. So now we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So then they are 15 over 36. This that you can use by 3 to get 5. By 3 here, you get 2. Before I give them to their simplest fractions. Even number above 20. So this time we want even number, probability, even number above 20. Above 20. So even number above 20. So above 20 we have how many? Above 20. Here we don't have anything above 20. Here we don't have anything above 20. Here we don't have anything above 20. So we have this one. So we take this, let me put stuff on them. So it's even and above 20. Here, yeah, this one is also even and above 20. This one, even and above 20, even and above 20 and above 20. So those are the only cases we have. Even numbers above 20. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they are 5 over 36. And I think that's all we can get. So basically, members, that's what we have. I wish you the best.